Hello, and welcome to the best sewing channel of 2021. What? I mean, that's what my mom told me. This is another hashtag Friday Sews, so we made it through another week. Okay, so what I'll talk about in today's episode of Friday Sews is I am going to show you this new look, and I'm actually going to try on my finished shirt. Found a new sewing foot that I really like that I'll show you. I'm going to show you a dress that I've been working on for my daughter. I'm going to go over the Frugal Frogs, so stay tuned. Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room sets up the whole Friday Sew. You gotta go and check out her channel because she has a lot of subscribers, but I can totally see why. She puts out a lot of good information, and she always does links in her descriptions tab of different places to go, like for some free patterns. And if you want a lot of ideas for the Frugal Frogs, you can also go to her page as well. And I'm just going to talk about the challenge Frugal Frogs, where everybody will just post their finished product on, or their finished project on March 31st. So I'm going to go over some free patterns that I found, and then I'll just kind of let you know about some other things that I'm working on. So I have this cute little dress that I'm making for my daughter, and it's made out of a really pretty delicate cotton. I bought this fabric from Hobby Lobby, and I've already got the neckband sewed in it, and I'm really excited how it's turning out. And then I just got to attach the dress, and I'm going to make and post a full tutorial on this as well. I'm actually using just this simplicity pattern. I've actually had it in my closet for years, and it's a cotton. And when I first started sewing with cottons a few years ago, I didn't like it, but I decided to give it another shot, and I actually really like it. And it's green, so my daughter can wear this for St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up on Wednesday. And so I've also got a green shirt that I've picked out to wear, and so that'll be fun to see. Anyone who posts a video on YouTube next Wednesday, make sure you think about what green outfit you're gonna wear. Okay, so the Frugal Frogs, if you haven't heard about it yet, which you probably have, but what you have to do is find a free sewing pattern, that's where the frugal means, and make a dress, which is also a frock, which I didn't know that, so you learn something new every day. And who was hosting the Frugal Frogs is Sam at Frugalissima. And she actually has a YouTube page. I'll put it down here below. So there you go. And then she's also on Instagram. Her and then Ruan, which is the Yorkshire Sew GirL. They're hosting it together. And so they're the ones who kind of created this. And so I've been going, well, at first I wasn't even gonna do it because I don't know where I would get a free sewing pattern. And I don't even like the thought of printing 12 pages and putting them together just so that I can cut out a shirt. That is not fun to me either. However, I was looking on Ruby Star Society's page, and well, I was looking for free patterns for quilts to make, and I found they had a caftan. So look at this, look how cute that is. You don't need a pattern. They actually give you the instructions and the dimensions to sew. So I'm gonna try to make that one, and I have the perfect fabric already picked out for that. So I'm excited for that one. This is your invite. Go ahead and join in on it. Okay, and then there is another free pattern that I found, and it's from the Ellie and Mac patterns. If you go to their site, let's see it here. Here's the picture of it. She has a free tank top that you can make out of knit materials. All I need to do is, it's a PDF pattern, so I think I'll get through that and just extend it so that it's a dress. So it'll be like a tank top dress. And then if I want to add sleeves to it, I will, but I'm going to try out those two patterns for the Frugal Frogs. So leave me a comment below if you also have any other suggestions. I know that there's suggestions out there, but maybe you have like a favorite free pattern that you think I might be interested in. Go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And then another thing that I have been doing this week is a lot of sewing hacks. So I've been looking through my closet, and I actually have a lot of really nice clothes to wear, but they kind of don't fit. I think a lot of you guys can relate with the whole quarantine, putting on some extra pounds. And so I actually have one shirt that was like really tight in the bust area, but oh my gosh, being the problem solver that I am, I just added a little bit of fabric to the back. No one can even tell. You'll see that. Ooh, I don't want to give it away. And actually, this shirt right here, it was a long sleeve shirt. See the picture? And I just cut it and added these ruffles. It took me maybe 5 minutes, but now it's like a cute spring shirt. Okay, and then, you know, I did mention that I'm gonna do a quilt project. And so I got these beautiful solids in the mail from Everyday Fabrics. She's on Etsy, and I don't even want to tear into it because she, you know, packaged it all really cute. But I will, and I'm gonna make a cute gingham pattern quilt, but it's gonna be a mini quilt because I love quilting and I feel like I suck at sewing clothes for myself. I can do it for my daughter, but not for myself. So I'm gonna go back to something that will give me a little bit more self-confidence. Okay, so what you guys have been waiting for is I'm gonna give you some details on the shirt that I made. I won't tell you right now if I like it or not. You can even comment if you think it's a pass or a fail, but here is the shirt and it's all finished. And I'm kind of sad because the ruffles in the back look better than the ruffles in the front. Now, one thing, the one positive, well, okay, I'm not going to give it away. One thing that I did learn from this shirt is I think, I wouldn't say I mastered, but I did, I tried out my rolled hem foot. Okay, see, here it is. Let me show you a better angle. Okay, so I feel like it's too wide right here. The material, I mean, even when I read the back of the new look pattern, it says suggested fabrics, lightweight fabrics, batiks, cotton types, double georgette, gingham. It doesn't say rayon. Well, it says silky types. I also thought the cap sleeves turned out okay, and I used the 16 size, and you know, but right here it's just really baggy. But now that I think about it, I think that's just how the fit is supposed to be, and I should have used like a more lighter weight fabric. I'm also thinking maybe if I make it shorter in the front, that might help, you know, where you do shorter in the front and then longer in the back. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I think I might just cut it up into like some type of quilting project. Some other details with this pattern, I didn't change a thing. I'm kind of thinking maybe a rayon. Well, I think a knit would be better, but it doesn't say that it's for knit fabrics. But people on pattern review said that the top was too snug. So this is me altering it. I took it down a little bit. I cut it down, but it still is up here, but I don't mind it. But if I didn't make that alteration, I think it'd be like choking me. I don't know how it would work. I don't know that I'm gonna keep well, I'm gonna, you know, do the Frugal Frogs thing. So I'll kind of keep going. But next week, I'm just gonna stick to a quilting project. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and also check out the other #FridaySews. And until next time, happy sewing.